The parliamentary system, legislature and executive. 40 MCQs. Question number 1. India follows which form of government? Answer C. Parliamentary. Question number 2. The Indian Parliament consists of? Answer C. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question number 3. The lower house of Parliament is? Answer C. Lok Sabha. Question number 4. The upper house of the Parliament is? Answer B. Rajya Sabha. Question number 5. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is? Answer D. 550. Question number 6. Members of Lok Sabha are elected by? Answer D. People. Question number 7. The Lok Sabha is elected for a term of? Option B. 5 years once. Question number 8. The Rajya Sabha is a? Answer B. Permanent house. Question number 9. Universal adult franchise means? Answer B. All adults have the right to vote. Question number 10. The minimum voting age in India is? Option C. 18 years. Question number 11. A proposal for a law is called a? Option C. Bill. Question number 12. A bill becomes a law after it gets approval from the? Option C. President. Question number 13. Money bills can be introduced only in the? Option C. Lok Sabha. Question number 14. The real executive power lies with the? Options B. Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Question number 15. The President of India is a? Option B. Nominal executive. Question number 16. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the? Option D. Lok Sabha. Question number 17. The Prime Minister is appointed by the? Option C. President. Question number 18. Parliamentary committees are formed to? Option C. Examine bills and government work. Question number 19. Which house has more power over money bills? Option B. Lok Sabha. Question number 20. A joint sitting of Parliament is presided by over by the? Option D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 21. Which list allows both center and state to make laws? Option C. Concurrent list. Question number 22. The head of the state executive is the? Option A. Governor. Question number 23. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by the? Option B. President. Question number 24. The hosting hour is held in the? Option B. Parliament. Question number 25. The President acts on the advice of the? Option C. Council of Ministers. Question number 26. Which house has more members? Option B. Lok Sabha. Question number 27. The term bicameral means? Option B. 2 houses. Question number 28. No confidence motion can be introduced only in the? Option B. Lok Sabha. Question number 29. The legislature debates and discusses? Option B. Policies and laws. Question number 30. Which states have a bicameral legislature? Option A. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. Question number 31. Article 21A of the Constitution makes education a fundamental right of the children aged. Option B. 6 to 14 years. Question number 32. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the option D. Lok Sabha. Question number 33. Ministers are appointed by the option A. President on advice of PM. Question number 34. Which list allows only state to make laws? Option B. State list. Question number 35. The real executive authority in a state lies with the option C. Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. Question number 36. Which of the following is part of the executive? Option B. Prime Minister. Question number 37. The President is elected by option D. Electoral College. Question number 38. The Speaker is elected by the C. Member of Lok Sabha. Question number 39. The Parliament meets at option C. Parliament House. Question number 40. The parliamentary democracy ensures option C. Accountability of government to people.